Okay, so I got a, looks like a screw or some kind of thing in there. And I got to pull it out, and then immediately you got to stick in your rasper tool. So we got to fix this one too. Holy crap, all these tires have something in them. Okay, so this rasping tool, I've got to get in that hole after I've turned this thing out. So I'm kind of like, I'm just gonna unscrew it real slow. You can hear the hissing already. Because I don't want to do too much damage to the tire. So we're gonna plug this bad boy. Almost there. Here we go. Getting there. Let's see if I can just pull it out. Done some pretty good damage to the tire. Hopefully I can get this thing out of there. There it goes. Luckily I got a compressor here, so. And in. And you got to do that. We're going to clean it. All right, now, next step is I've got to get this apart. You can hear the air hissing, but let's not worry about that. Let's get this thing out of here. And these things are super sticky, so you really got to pull them. Your hands are going to get dirty. All right, pull them apart. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab one of them, like that. Set that down. Now I've got to get this thing in the middle of this. I got to get that in the middle of this. So you got to kind of squish it, push it through. But if that doesn't work, you got to get a screwdriver like this. You got to separate it a little bit, like that. Now it should go in there. Once you get part of it through, what you want to do is grab it with some needle nose and just pull it till you get it about halfway. All right, now I've got to put this thing in there all the way up to there. So when I pull this out, the rasping tool out, I don't know if you can see it here. First I'm gonna kind of clean it here pretty good. Got it pretty good. Squishing it, twist it, get a good clean on it, and then I got to get this baby right in there as I do it. I don't know if you can see it. So we're going to go and pull that out. We're going to take this, we're going to push it all the way in, all the way. And then when we pull it out, we got to pull it out fast. Bam. And that gives us our plug. And I think we just plugged this tire. What do you think? All right, let's take a closer look. That's a good plug. My other one was not so good. You see it? No extra stuff. All right, now I got to fill up this tire and see if it holds air. That's the next part. It's always good to have an air compressor handy. Luckily for me, I have one of these in my garage. So we're going to go ahead and fill this baby up. Because it was a little low. And now we're going to go inside and see, turn the car on and see if we get our tire pressure light. So that's what started this whole mess. Tire pressure light. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, look, it's gone. All right, I think we're okay. So if you want to find the tire pressure on your car, usually it's right inside here. So if you look right there, you'll see that it's 33, 32. The spare is supposed to be at 60, so don't inflate it to 60. If you do, you'll get flashing tire warning. So anyway, it's a 33 in the front, and it looks like 32 in the back PSI. So I've got this little tool in here that I keep, and this measures your tire pressure. So the one that we fixed is back here. So we're going to go back here and we're going to check it out. So what I got to do is unhook this. You're going to put it right on there, and then you're going to push it down, and it's going to pop up this end. And if you look, it looks like we're at about 31, 32. Might be able to use a little bit more in there, but that's pretty good. So you need one of these little handy gadgets. And it looks like we did pretty good. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on how to do a bunch of different things. All right, thanks a lot.